My name is Mary Favor Kato, and I'm the State House Sub-Regional Coordinator for Ankole for this program of Enyoga. And I'm so happy to be here today. It's a Women's Day, and I really thank President Museveni that on such a day, we as women, we celebrate things including Enyoga. Enyoga is a presidential initiative that came to empower women economically, socially, and in a lot of things, for example, innovation. Because the word Enyoga actually means what people do. And very many women, especially in my region here in Ankole, have been able to be empowered economically, have been able to come from behind and come in front to have businesses, to own supermarkets because of Enyoga. They are given seed capital, they are taught to save, they are actually taught to invest, and this has really empowered them. This has even caused the stabilization in marriages. This has made women be stable in what they do because they are not hungry for money. This has reduced moral decadence. They no longer do some bad jobs because they want survival. So we really thank the President, and I cannot fail to thank Microfinance Support Center that has been the implementing agency in this program. And here in Ankole, we are performing very well. We have almost the best groups in the whole Uganda. Women are doing very well, and we are so impressed. And on such a day, we are here. We have actually exhibited what we do. Some of them are doing liquid soaps, others are doing yogurts. We have helped so much Uganda in value addition. We have women are doing wine, so it is really a very good program, and we thank His Excellency. And my name is Mary Favor Kato, the State House Sub-Regional Coordinator of Enyoga in Ankole. Welcome.